myself jerking off. Alright guys, so Jake's a dick. I'm gonna fucking get him back. I don't care if you watch this first, Jake. I'm gonna get you back.
Tony, come here. Come here.
What?
Oh, shit.
Charles throwing water balloons at our neighbors.
It missed. Oh, dickhead. Hey, Jack, you need to shower.
You smell! Hey, Jack.
Fuck you!
Did it get you?
Yes!
Oh, you're so...
Important notice, hold up. No,
You don't even get that.
Oh, yo, he's got that. Yo, you see this?
Falls over.
Whoa! $10, I'll kick it.
It's got like lights and shit on there.
And when I was telling you about water cooling?
Yeah,
Yeah, and then right now. It's actually a water cooling system. I know what that is. That's water cooling. There's actually water in there. Dude, we're gonna go to jail for that. We have a fugitive here.
He has a warrant.
On the run from Maryland. Oh, this is gonna be on the same level as like the race. I hope you're ready to write a song.